Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this simple, easy, quick, fast, amazing baked mackerel. This turned out so delicious. Serve this for your guests and trust me, they will always come to your house to visit you. Let's get started. So I'll use medium-sized mackerel, and then I'm going to start by cutting off the head and the tail. I'll then go ahead and cut through the belly area and take out the guts. Just like so. It's simple, easy. I'll make scores on them, and then I'll go ahead and wash it. Make sure you wash it. You want a clean fish, so make sure you go ahead and wash it just like so. So this is what you're looking for. After I'm done washing it, I'll go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of salt on it and then fish seasoning. So please do not exaggerate with the fish seasoning. If not, it's going to overtake the flavor of the fish, or it's going to be too salty. So just add in just a little bit, about a teaspoon, and then rub it all over. Flip it and repeat the same process. As you can tell from the video, I didn't add in that much fish seasoning. After, I'll set it aside, and then to a blender, I'll add in red onion, ginger, red bell pepper, garlic, chili pepper, and then water. I'll blend this until almost smooth. You do not want to make it very smooth. Like I paused it about 2-3 times and that was fine. In the saucepan, I added in olive oil, the blended onion mix. I'll stir this, or I'll stay close to it and keep stirring. So as you can tell, it's not that smooth. I paused it about 2-3 times and that was fine. Don't make it too smooth. So I let this cook for more or less 10 minutes, and then I added in dried shrimp powder and dried herrings powder. I then added in just a little bit of the fish seasoning and a pinch of salt. You do not want to over salt. You don't want your sauce to be salty, so please be careful of the salt. I stirred it so well combined, and then added in chopped red bell pepper. So basically that's it. It's simple, easy. At this point, you want to go ahead and taste it if the salt is for your liking, and that's what you're looking for. It's very simple, easy. You can even close your eyes and make this sauce. Don't overcook it, because at the end you are going to put it in the oven, so don't overcook it. After everything has been added, that's fine. So I went ahead and scoop about 2 tablespoons, and then I spread it on the fish. So I didn't add in, or I'll bake it later on. I'll then add it again. So when done, flip it and then repeat the same process. So I used half for the first time, and then once it's done baking for about 20 minutes, I'll take it out and then use the rest on it again. I'll apply the rest on it again. So like this is good. You are ready to go. I'll cover it with a cling film, with aluminium, and bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I took it from the oven and then applied the sauce on it again. Make sure you apply it well, and then bake it without the aluminium at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes again. So in total, it took more or less 40 minutes for baking. And guys, just look at this. Just look at this amazing fish. It was so delicious. The fish was not hard at all. It was soggy, a little bit soggy. It's so delicious. Just look at it. It's moist and it's delicious. Serve this for your guests and they will love it. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.